The overall goal of the following experiment is to observe how changes in material properties of different layers can affect the overall mechanical properties of the graft. This is achieved by preparing natural and synthetic polymer solutions to provide optimal electrospinning parameters. As a second step, the solution should be combined in specific ratios which will provide the desired change in material properties. Next, electrospin the solutions onto a cylindrical mandrel in order to create a multi-layered structure with varying mechanical properties. Results are obtained that show changes in mechanical properties based on compliance, burst strength, suture retention, uniaxial tensile testing, and mathematical analysis.
Hi, my name is McClure. Today I'll be talking to you about tri-layered electrospun vascular grafts. One of the main advantages of our technique over other techniques, such as singular vascular grafts, is our ability to fine-tune material properties within individual layers, thereby affecting our overall material properties.
Prior to electrospinning, extract collagen from 6-month-old bovine corium using an acetic acid-based process. This extracted collagen is then purified through a subsequent series of dissolutions, precipitations, and dialyses. Collect at least 500 mg of lyophilized collagen for the electrospinning procedure. Next, using a 20 ml scintillation vial, prepare a 100 mg per milliliter solution of polycaprolactone by measuring 150 mg of monomer pellets and dissolving in 15 ml of 111.